Hey everyone, welcome back to another Camp Nou construction update. Today, we once again have some exciting progress around the stadium as work continues moving quickly across the upper structure and exterior areas. The transformation is becoming more impressive day by day. So let's jump straight into all the latest updates from the construction site. Work continues progressing steadily around the third tier and upper cantilever sections of Camp Nou. Crews are currently focusing on hinge connection areas, upper core finishing, and preparation work for the next compression ring phases. Several workers were active around the structural joints and support zones, while temporary platforms and cimbras remain positioned for upcoming installations. The upper bowl structure continues transforming rapidly as the compression ring expands further around the stadium, making the future roof outline more visible every day. The biggest focus, once again, is the compression ring structure, which continues to dominate the upper sections of the stadium. Work crews were actively installing another steel beam in the upper corner area, with multiple elevated platforms positioned around the structure while workers carefully aligned and secured the new piece into place. The radial beams and connecting sections are now extending further around the stadium bowl, especially toward the south goal area. Several compression ring components, including radial beams, pillars, and connection pieces, are already staged nearby, ready for installation. The pace of progress here remains very strong, and more structural sections are expected to be connected over the coming days. One of the most noticeable developments today was the rapid progress of several new interior wall structures built with concrete blocks. These sections have advanced significantly in just a few days. Scaffolding has now been installed around the structures, allowing crews to continue working at higher levels. Workers were actively transporting materials upward while continuing masonry work. These spaces appear to be future service or utility areas inside the stadium infrastructure. The sandwich panel installation continues moving forward on the second mobility core along the lateral side of the stadium. From ground level, it became clear that several new panels had been added since the previous update. The upper section now features multiple freshly installed black panels, giving the exterior a much more complete appearance. Additional panels are already stacked nearby, ready for placement, while elevated platforms remain positioned around the structure for continued installation work. Crews are also fitting corner finishing pieces onto the sandwich panels. Some sections are already complete, while others still show the exposed yellow insulation layer, meaning finishing work is still ongoing. Preparation for the future Lama installation is progressing quickly around both the south goal and north goal sectors. Workers continue aligning, tightening, and inspecting the support anchor systems that will hold the exterior Lamas. Several sections now appear almost fully prepared, with support structures already painted and aligned. More Lama support components remain stacked around the corners of the stadium, waiting to be lifted into position. Painting crews wearing protective equipment were also seen coating steel beams and support areas, helping finalize these sections before the Lamas themselves begin installation. The corner sections continue showing major structural progress. Large quantities of Lama supports, steel components, and compression ring materials remain staged across these areas. In the north goal corner especially, more support brackets have now been installed across multiple levels. However, several sections still remain incomplete, meaning crews will continue adding more support systems over the next phase of construction. At the same time, workers were also preparing protective safety net systems around the corner areas due to the heavy movement of materials and elevated construction activity happening above. Another important update today was the return of reinforcement work on the diamond structure section. Workers were seen actively placing steel reinforcement bars along the upper portion of the structure. This type of work had not been visible for quite some time, making it one of the more interesting developments of the day. Reinforcement crews continue preparing these areas for future concrete phases and structural completion. Over at the north goal side, crews continue focusing heavily on support preparation and steel finishing work. Workers were tightening anchor systems and painting support beams behind the Lama structures. Several newly delivered Lama sections were also visible arriving into the area. while additional support pieces remain stacked nearby waiting for installation. Although some sections still lack complete support coverage, progress continues steadily across both the middle and upper levels of the north goal structure. In the VIP and Tribune section, construction activity continues to move forward with noticeable progress in the interior zones. Workers are actively preparing the structure around the elevated areas, with platforms in operation as finishing works continue on the surrounding framework. Interior construction is actively advancing with aluminum framing systems now clearly installed. These metal structures are forming the base for future partition walls and internal room divisions. The next phase will involve closing these frames with finishing panels, creating fully defined VIP suites and corridors. Even though protective sheets block full visibility, the ongoing internal framework work confirms that the VIP ring is entering a detailed finishing stage. One of the biggest surprises today was the arrival of a brand new escalator unit in the Tribune section of the stadium. After a long period without seeing new escalators delivered, construction teams have now resumed installation preparations. The escalator had just arrived on site, and crews were still removing the protective wrapping before preparing it for lifting operations using the tower crane. This marks another major step forward for the interior circulation systems of the new Camp Nou. Across the Tribune area, multiple elevated platforms were operating around the steel bracket sections. Workers continued carrying out finishing and preparation tasks around these structural elements. Some mobility cores in this sector still have no sandwich panels installed yet, while others remain partially completed. This indicates that crews are likely prioritizing certain sections before fully completing the remaining cores. The north goal corner section continues showing steady progress as crews work on installing and aligning the Lama support structures. Several support pieces are already placed across the upper and middle levels, while more components remain stacked nearby for upcoming installation. Elevated platforms are still active in the area as workers continue finishing and tightening the remaining supports behind the structural pillars. Overall, the corner is gradually taking shape, although a few sections still need to be completed in the next phase of work. Overall, today's update showed continued strong momentum across nearly every active construction zone inside the new Camp Nou project. The compression ring continues expanding, sandwich panel installation is progressing steadily, Lama preparation work is accelerating, and several important interior systems are also moving forward. The stadium is gradually becoming more complete from both the interior and exterior perspectives, with visible progress now happening simultaneously across structural, facade, and finishing phases.